Greetings everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Student, in maths, yesterday we have learned about lesson mode. Okay? On the behalf of lesson mode, today we are going to do comparison number. Comparison the number. You know that students, in this page they have given one Tweety, and Tweety bird loves to eat more food. You know that students, whatever your favorite thing, whatever, like my favorite food is, you know that my favorite, lick the fruit. My favorite fruit is orange. If mama gave me one, then I want to one more. Everyone wants to eat favorite fruit more. Here also Tweety wants to eat more. Here they have given some favorite food of Tweety. See, there are one apple and 1, 2, 3 apple. Now tell me which one Tweety want to eat, this one or this one? Tweety want to more, Tweety want to eat more, Tweety want to eat more, so that we just open its beak that side. Everyone wants to eat more. Yes, we want to eat more. Favorite thing we want to eat more, na? Yeah. There are strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strawberries are there. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 8, here is 5. Here is 8, here is 5. And which one Tweety want to eat? This one, this one. Yes, Tweety want to eat more, so that we make sign like this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 counts are there. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 4, here is 6. Then tell me in which way Tweety eat, this one or this one? Yes, Tweety eat this one. Tweety wants to eat this one because it has 6 cones. Then we have to make Tweety big that side. Now here is peas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. And that one is 9. So that who will tell me Tweety wants to eat more food. So that we have to move which side? This side, this side. She move that side. Now student, today we have learned about the comparison. According to this object, we have to comparison numbers also as well as numbers also. Now here exercise given on page number 19. Shade the box with more than 3 dots. More than 3 dots. Shade the boxes with more than 3 dots. Here is 3, here is 2, here is 6, here is 1. Then tell me there are 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. In which box have more dots? More dots, this one, and more than 3 dots. More than 3 dots. That means this box has more than 3 dots. It has 3 dots, it has 2 dots, it has 1 dots, and it has 6 dots. So that means this is more than 3 dots. Then we have to color, we have to shade in this box. Take one light color, okay? Shade the boxes with less than 7 dots. Shade the boxes with less than 7 dots. Less than, that means less. Come. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 dots. It has 8 dots. In this box has 8 dots. Here is 4 dots. Here is 9 dots. And here is 6 dots. And they are asking, Shade the box with less than 7 dots. Less than 7 dots. It means it has 4 dots. So that means it is less than 7. And it is also 6. And it is also less than 7. There are 6. Do one thing, you have to write down numbers also 4. And 4 and 6 less than 7. Come in? Yes. Circle the numbers which are bigger than 5. Circle the number which are bigger than 5. That means more than 5. More than 5. Now let us start. 4. No, it is less than 2. Oh, sorry, 5. For 2. 0. 7. Yes. 7 is bigger than 5. Yes, we have to circle. 5. No. 3. No. 6. Yes. 6 is more than 5. Yes. And this one, yes, it is also more than 5. And this one also more than 5, number 10. And 8 also more than 5. Then circle the number which are smaller than 5. That means small. Which number are less than 5? Less than 5. Then here is 4. It is less than 5. Here is 2. Less than 5. 0 less than 5. 1 also less than 5. And rest of numbers 3 also less than 5, rest of number more than 5. Write any 3 number which are bigger than 2. Write any 3 number which are bigger than 2. Which number bigger than 2? Then let's start. We have to write down after 2 number. 3, 4, 5. Write any 3 numbers which are smaller than 8. Smaller than 8. That means we have to write down backward counting. Backward counting 7, 6, 5. Write any 3 numbers which are bigger than 6. Then we have to write down bigger than 6. Bigger means big. Next number 7, 8, 9. So that students, today we have finished page number 19. Tomorrow we will do next exercise. Bye everyone.